This is Nathan and Leslie getting ready to work.
Yeah.
There's Nathan's communication board with Velcro. So Leslie shows up, calendar, and they put their tasks up, and then when they're done, Nathan puts the tasks in the done box.
Go
There
ahead.
you
It's
go.
okay.
There you go. Open and
Push. Yay!
okay. You need to take your hand off.
Good job. Oh.
Good. All right. Hey, how boring can you get?
Yay! Good job.
Thank
Put it in
you.
the box.
Okay, now what's next?
You're
What's
done.
next? Nathan, pay attention.
Next.
What's next on the board?
Don't look at me. Look at what you gotta do.
Shoes.
Shoes.
Good. All right.
Yeah, anyway, isn't that cool?
Nathan's greenhouse, the Happy Potter of the coil.
I'm not done. And we're going to put music out here.
There's all his work in here.
And we, you know.
This is winter time. Say it on there.
It is cold
This is
out.
the middle of the winter. Middle of the winter.
They got this
Yeah, we
greenhouse
got.
donated.
Yeah.
And we're going to put more.
These are our
put more shelves.
leftover things, and I'm trying to make a little compost thing out
That's
of
great.
some of the old plants. And so we'll empty the old plants out and put them into the in our compost, stuff like that. So we really do quite a few things.